So, you finally decided to play Minecraft on your MacBook, but you don't know how to download or install it? Don't worry, you've landed at the right place.
I'm going to guide you step by step through the process. It's going to be super easy, super fun, and absolutely beginner-friendly. No confusion, no tech headaches. Just follow along, second by second. And if you get stuck anywhere, just drop a comment and I'll help you out. Open your browser, Safari, Chrome, or any browser you like. In the search bar, type Minecraft Free Trial for Mac. Click on the first official link, or use the link I've provided in the description for ease. The official Minecraft website will open. Scroll down until you see this block now. Choose your operating system, click on the Mac logo. Now click the download button. The file will start downloading shortly. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Drag and drop the Minecraft icon into the Applications folder. After installation, open the app. The first time you run it, you'll be asked to log in. So go ahead and log in with your Minecraft or Microsoft account.